Hello everybody, I think I've been out of YouTube for 3 weeks. I know. Sorry the shadow. I kind of move a little my camera because I had my aquarium, my little aquarium in this corner, and it took a little extra space. So now I'm trying to figure out how to do this with how it's setting right now, and then I have to go back to the old way. Let me remove this. It's giving extra shadow. Okay. So today I received my Knitcrate. Yes, this time was a little later than the regular days, but I wanted to share this with other stuff that I got. So opening mine, I already opened, and I say I will open in advance because I already know what it was coming. I request this color of yarn. I didn't went for the surprise me option because I really love this color of yarn. I love the color and the name. This is the Uru yarn, and the name color is Enlighten It. Enlighten It. Look at this. It's not beautiful. I don't have light eye colors, but I think this color can pop so good with somebody that has like green or blue eyes, like blue more than anything. It's so beautiful, but they say that also pops with the brown eyes, so mine are kind of hazel, so it's okay. I love the color. It's very soft. What kind of yarn? This is 85 merino wool, 15% silk, DK weight, 300 yarns. And suggest needles are 3.5 or 3 to 375 millimeters. I love it. I love, and maybe I will mix with white. I'm not sure, or maybe I will request more and do just one only color. This box came with a little rainbow shawl pin. Oh, it's for a shawl. It's a pin that will go like holding two of the side of the shawl, I'm guessing. And there is a magazine. Let's see what it says. The colors that they have for this one was like these 3 colors, and I was looking in advance for the next month, and it looks like I will request one like this, and maybe I can wait for this with this. That can be nice. The other color that they will get is like a little dark purple. So these are the colors: Beauty Berry, Taupili, and Enlightened. That is the one that I got. I think this is also a very beautiful color, but I honestly haven't had anything in this color for years, and I wanted to work on that. These two can be looking great, but like I said, I kind of have a sneak peek of what is coming for the next month, and it's something like this. It's like a light charcoal color, kind of white, and I think will be great. Ooh, nice. I like the options. It doesn't show too much here. That socks are really nice. Ooh, those socks are cute. This is crochet. Ooh, I like those. Really cute. So for my yarn, it's supposed to be, let me see which one was. It can be this one. Then you have the socks. You have like a little sweater, I don't know how you call, tank something, and a hat. So those are, and the next month is a journey to Peru, October 2019, and the colors are here. I saw the video already. If you want, you can go and check the YouTube video for Knitcrate, and you will see what is coming. And maybe I will be, like I say, I like the 3 colors that they have for the next month. Okay, let me show you what is going on with my knitting. Remember that I have this red one, and I was trying to do with gray and white. Well, it wasn't enough of the gray, and like I say, I don't want to buy extra. And then I got the next, the next month I got this that is so beautiful, and I think they go good together. So I'm working in a sweater using the two kinds of colors, and I think they go good. What do you think? Let's go a little farther there. Don't you think that it will go good? It's just the beginning because I have to redo what I was working before. So this is my front part, and Frosty always have something to chew when I am beginning, and I have the feeling that I did a little too big, but you know what, I am thinking in a fluffy sweater, the kind that you can just wear whatever you want under and be very comfy. So that's what I will be working. What do you think? I think the combination is good. I kind of liked in this way. So it has a little elastic part, and then just I went for the English stitch. I think that is the name. So yeah, and this is the back side. Still looking good also for the back side. And that is how it's going on this. Also, I got another yarn. This was because I want to make some socks for Halloween, and I was looking for, first I was thinking I will buy, I don't have too many yarns, so I was thinking I will buy a purple, orange and yellow and maybe black, but I was looking at one of the videos of Carlos and Arnie and Carla, and they are like part of these yarns right now, and I think I will be working with these. I will do, the socks looks like this, very simple, but it's very Halloweeny and I like. So maybe I will stop the other one and try to knit my socks before Halloween. I'm beginning to have all the Halloween inspiration, you know. Is coming. I love Halloween. I love all the holidays, and that is something that I always do, celebrate holidays. I came to this country and you have so many wonderful holidays. The only sad is like the ones that come right now are the ones that make you eat more. Talking about other things that I got for fall and winter, I got the new Rowan. I don't know, I think it's the new one. Magazine number 66. Let's go a little far away. There. And I didn't know, but it comes a double one. Rowan Focus and this one. It has really nice options. The colors goes a little more darker, more like earth tones for this season. Pretty nice green one. I like this one, and it's very simple. I was looking how it is done. I think I may be doing something like this. Maybe doing something like this. It can be with this and white. The lines will be on white. I think that will be a good option. I like that. Then this is pretty too, very pretty, nice. So it's so many cute options in this one. I love the colors in this one. Look at those stripes, blue, green. So it's more like cold and earth tones, not too much the reds and pinks. Oh, this is so cute. Very nice. Very pretty. I think I like when it's, oh, this is so interesting. If you see the way that it's made, it's really interesting. I think I can do something like that too. I'm just looking for the limitation of how much I can do and how much I cannot do. And then I think those are the pattern. And then you have Rowan Focus. Let's see. This is more like whites and beige. Oh, cute. That's what I am talking, like I want something like very fluffy, like not so tight. I like this. Look, the elastic part is really high, and then it comes the sweater. Pretty nice. Yep. And the pictures are amazing. Oh, look at this one. This is really cute. That is amazing too. I'm telling you, this magazine has so many beautiful ideas for knitting. I think this is more knitting, not too much crochet, and then it comes all that. So this is the last magazine that I got. It's not too much going on my knitting. I really don't have too much to show you. Like I said, I'm being really busy and I'm trying. But you know what? I want to show you something that I'm also doing. Let me see. I think like a month ago I told you that I was going to have some quilting classes. So yesterday I have my first quilting class, and they teach me few things like how to do simple quilting square. My first one. I love the colors, I love the combination. It's like a picnic day. And then this other kind. It's not happy and cute. I really love this. It's exciting. I'm still making mistakes. Like this one is, the line went perfect, but in this one it didn't line with the other one. I have to pay more attention, but it lined with this. So maybe I was missing something, or I cut not perfect. I need to do some extra. I need to do 2 of these and 2 of these as homework with different colors for my next class. And that is what I also was doing. So my pattern will be like this, and I think I will use like a, not white, because it doesn't pop too much with the white. It pops, but not in the way that I want. I think I want to go for gray. Let me see, do I have anything gray? Nothing other than yarn, but I think that maybe gray, or you don't know, I don't know, black. I was reading that it's better to go for a color that you don't have in your pattern, in your design, so it makes the colors pop better. We will see. It can be also yellow. I don't know. I have yellow, so maybe no. What do you think about that? We will see, we will see. If you have any suggestion, just let me know what will be a good binding color. I don't know. Let me leave you with some of the image of how it was going to class and how the class was. We were only 6 or 5 people in the class. One is my friend and the others I met there, and we have 6 more classes to go, but this is exciting. And with this I leave you, and I will see you the next week. Bye bye. I got everything ready here. I have my machine and my new ruler. I have the fabrics. I already put the thread that I will need. I have my cutting mat here. I will not put everything. And I think I'm ready. Ready. I only need to go take a shower and get excited.